Good morning, Regency Oaks. Happy Monday. So today, Brant is currently on vacation and for the week, so I will be filling in. Leslie Haas, your Resident Services Director. So let's start with our numbers for Monday, September 21st. We have Florida, positive cases at 683,754. For deaths in Florida, we have 13,296. Pinellas positive cases is 21,350 and deaths is 721. Pasco County, we have a total of positive cases of 8,805. And then for COVID deaths, we have 199. For our U.S. totals today, we have 6,813,984. And for U.S. deaths, we have 199,525. For testing in the area, we have 213,316. And then our positive COVID percentage is 10.08%. Within our zip code for COVID, we have 424 positive cases. And then currently hospitalized for us is 2,213, and then we are on phase 2, day 107. For our Regency Oaks campus, our updates for resident quarantines, we do have 18 residents in independent living under quarantine, and that's all non-COVID hospital stays, vacations, as well as new residents moving in. For our skilled nursing, we do have 14 under quarantine, and those are new hospital non-COVID related stays that admitted there, and 0 in assisted living. For our staff members that are under quarantine, we have no one in independent living and no one in skilled nursing or assisted living for staff members. For flu-like or COVID symptoms that are occurring in testing in progress, we have no residents in independent living or assisted living or skilled nursing. And for employees, we have no one in independent living and no one in skilled nursing or assisted living. So we still, for our COVID confirmed cases, we have no changes. So we've had our 8 residents in the past and our 19 employees in the past. So for our overall testing results for negatives, we have 460 for our residents, and negative for associate testing is 1,017. Now, as we talk about our COVID numbers, I want to remind everyone to don't put off having your flu shot this year. Summer is coming to a close. Tomorrow's our first day of fall, and there's no better time to take advantage of your flu shot. It's the best way to protect yourself and your loved ones. The CDC recommends anyone over the age of 6 months participate and get a flu shot. So the flu vaccine is more important than ever to protect yourself and people around you. And it's going to reduce the strain on our healthcare system for those that need to focus and respond to COVID-19 patients. Our immune system, as we get older, does become weaker. This puts people at 65 years and older at a higher risk for serious flu complications. According to the CDC, about 70 to 85% of seasonal flu-related deaths in the United States are people of 65 years and older. On average, this age group accounts for 50 to 70% of flu-related hospitalizations. So at Regency Oaks, we have been placing out the last couple of weeks our information on our flu shot clinics, and they're down in the wellness wing, and it's September 30th, October 1st, and October 7th from 9 a.m. to noon. You can find the sign-up sheets at your medical appointments table in the north and the south lobby. Make sure you turn in those flu shot consent forms for our flu shot CVS clinic, and you can turn those into the front desks. If you haven't already, please make sure to get those in as soon as possible. If you've already had your flu shot or plan to have it at someplace else off campus, like your primary care physicians, Publix, Target, let the front desk know that you've had it done, because we like to keep track of the percentage of our residents who have received the vaccine so we can understand our population when it comes to the vaccine and inoculation. Also, I do have a great chart that I would like to talk to you in regards to understanding the difference between seasonal allergies, flu, and COVID-19. Let's see the chart. As you notice from this chart here that's provided from the Department of Health of Florida, our COVID-19 symptoms are fevers and chills, muscles and body aches, new loss of taste or smell, nausea or vomiting, and diarrhea. Now, for seasonal allergies, we do have itchy or watery eyes and sneezing, as shown on the far right. Now, here's where we have the symptoms of both of them: cough, fatigue, headache, sore throat, shortness of breath with difficulty of breathing, congestion of runny nose. So what you really need to do is pay attention to those other symptoms, such as on the left side for COVID and on the right side for seasonal allergies. See if you are really experiencing either of those two to really help determine what your symptoms are going. And remember, always speak with your primary care physician when you are feeling any of these symptoms as soon as possible, or we'll get you over to the emergency room so that we can make sure that you are safe from anything that you are occurring. And also, something to note, seasonal allergies don't usually cause shortness of breath or difficulty breathing unless a person has respiratory conditions such as asthma. Thank you.
Good morning, Regency Oaks, and thank you, Leslie, for that presentation. I wanted to give you a little information regarding the RO experience this Thursday, September 24th. It is from 3:30 in the town hall area. It will be the same setup as we had it last time. Please enjoy the outside seating, as well as by the fire pit area, as well as by the tavern. We will have the Boomer Band performing, so it'll be great entertainment, food, as well as the tables set up in the town hall. I do want to remind you that we are working on our social distancing, so we're only allowing up to 5 people in the town hall at a time. So we will have someone at the front door monitoring that. So we thank you for your patience. We just want to make sure that with us having these events and slowly opening the campus back up, that we're doing a great job at staying socially distanced, as well as keeping precautions to stay as far apart as possible. So we look forward to seeing you on Thursday at 3:30. Please don't hesitate to stop by and ask any questions to myself or Ginger, and we look forward to seeing you at our RO football tailgate. Please wear your favorite jersey or represent your favorite team in this football season. Thank you.
Please make sure that you attend Tuesday Talk tomorrow, or tune into the Tuesday Talk broadcast that we'll have later the day to pay attention for some new and exciting news that we'll be having come to Regency Oaks for our residents. And thank you so much for tuning in today, and have a great Monday and a great week. Thank you.